gonna packing order. So let's go. Um, so let's start. First, we're gonna alcohol. Here's my alcohol. So that's all. Let's finish the alcohol. So today we're gonna pack a order with here's my friend. With here my friend Cherry. So let's go to pack him. Go. So first we're gonna this one. I don't know what I choose like this. Okay, this is a beautiful heart. So we're gonna stapler in here side by side here. And so today let's start our packing order. So let's first here's sticker rainbow, and let's find another sticker here. Here a mini sticker of 4 pieces. So we're gonna cut and let's find here Hambebe and Joycey. Here's a boys, and here's a girls. So let's put like that, and we're gonna more on some bracelet. And let's do 2 ball pen. Here's our 2 ball pen. Here's a 2 ball pen, black, and here's color mini of. Here's purple color, and let's find pa and oh my gosh, let's add this and this in here. And let's add a photo card, but one only daw, sabi niya. So, today pala guys is English day because I don't know. One only daw, she talked at me, one only. So, here's. And a beanie sticker. Let's find a beanie sticker, and here's BTS and one beanie. Hi, here's beanie guys. It's so very pretty of 8 Angeles. And she said me, that's all I have. So let's packing. I bought like this one. Where should she go? I don't know what I have. And next put a card inside the paper inside the packaging. And here's yes, there, and sticker, and Hambebe and Joyce. And let's add this. And let's add this, and we're gonna put inside. And she closed. And so let's go. She put inside. inside. She put inside and 2 ball pens inside. Then this is 25 pesos only. You have and this and here. And let's cutter. Stapler. So we're gonna put a stapler because she closed it. Okay, let's stapler. Let's stapler. Oh my gosh. So I'm done to staple. So let's finish it stapler. And you wanna pack Shopee like this. I'm kuha and small. Oh my gosh, I'm laughing. I'm sorry. And she put like this. Don't be shy to talk to me. Don't be shy to say me like that to be a packaging. If you order at me, fake order, please comment. Please comment. So let's add a text. So we're gonna kuha. So natapos ko na siyang lagyan. I'm finished to put letters in this. So I'm finished to put a letter and how much this. And so this is the end of vlog. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
听到右边，小情歌都美得我们甜，咖啡是加菲的甜甜圈，咖啡和快乐换了你选。蓝色的天，被青色多印颗心照片，要拼合我们在最亮眼，幽暗的银河为你装点。
我偏偏为你，我就想要写一首歌，赶走寒风雪，想要练的浪潮，用笔雕刻，誓言难冻结，心房里住着你我的附加世界，永远不空缺。当爱你，我表达的更直接。
你曾经听我说，认真带一点幽默，计划不小心走火，失落一瞬间no more，收起了漫不周，你可爱的酒窝，我的收获，有点微甜，爱的碎片别丢落。
让我说对不起，姑娘只是不理，身边都是目击者，怕你爱周身无气。也让我生活不再邋里邋遢，不想让你生气，只想当人类专家。
在我生气时总是可怜巴巴，但是拜托你离我后心别只会疯。
You know， 脚下的时候你总是誓不罢休，不洗手汗也会归尿克，那就不你个人最爱的那首。每当你愁眉苦脸，喜剧之王会出现，我甜言永远无上限，靠在我身边。
你靠近听我说，认真带一点幽默，计划不小心走火，失落一瞬间no more，收起了漫不周，你可爱的酒窝，我的收获，有点微甜，爱的碎片。